the magic question. Why shipping home containers? You know, there's a lot of cool stuff coming out in the industry. Tiny homes, all these different types of things. But why shipping home container? Couple different reasons for that. Number one, sustainability. Now, did you know that 23 million containers are left for dead all around the world? Essentially, these units just get thrown out and not used. 23 million of them. Can you imagine them just sitting around? And these are beautiful 100% steel structures. Now, that element of sustainability is we take those and recycle those units and essentially bring them to life and utilize them in such a way that will actually have a lot of power, like through construction, right? A steel frame is incredible because it can absolutely outlast anything. Tornadoes, hurricanes, all these things. Now, you have to make sure the windows and doors do the same thing, but the actual structure and container itself is very sustainable through the recycling of it, and then also just the grade of material is absolutely insane and is next to none compared to manufactured housing, tiny homes, all these things. It can outlast really any of that. So that's number one. Number two, why shipping home containers? Number two, versatility. Now, never have I seen such a product that has the versatility that a shipping home container does. Let me explain why. You can utilize it as an accessory dwelling unit. You can use it as a backyard office / she shed. You can utilize it as a pop-up for a business. You can put it actually on a trailer and have it be a mobile unit. So there are not many things that can do what a shipping home container does and maintain the structural integrity of it. And we'll get into structural integrity in a little bit, but 100% steel frame, that's pretty tough to beat. And to be able to utilize it in these different landscapes is absolutely huge. So whether you're a small business owner, homeowner, you can utilize these containers any which way you want to because the versatility is incredible. Not only that, but it's very easy to move these containers around. So say you sell your house, you want to take your container with you, or you own your business and you want to take this container with you, you can actually pick it up, move it, and it's movable, which is absolutely incredible. Make sure you disconnect utilities if you have it, because that would be a disaster.